So I thought that this was interesting, right? You got a man that says, "My wife after company leaves."
Stoned out motherfucker. Stoned out motherfucker.
Wait a minute.
Well, wait till I show you this, darling. This is the real Daryl. This is the real Daryl that slams doors. You piece of shit, Daryl. You are a total piece of shit.
I'm so sick.
I've done so much for my safe Florida too. Like I said, stay the fuck away from me. Stay the fuck away. That's right. This is common.
So, man, listen, I had to pause because they doing a lot right now. Good grief, bro. Relax. So everybody out there that be sitting here championing a certain race and try to make it seem like it's kumbaya. Listen, there are people like this in every race. I don't care if you're black, white, Asian, Chinese, whatever, Jamaican. None of that stuff matters. Like, you can run into a toxic person in any race, anywhere you go, any age. It don't freaking matter, man. And y'all think that having children, putting a ring on it, getting married is going to solve all the new money? No. All of those things, if anything, is just going to be highlighted. It's going to be amplified. It's going to be magnified as time go on. You're going to start to see more of what that person already is. And just because people have been married or have been together for X amount of years, that don't mean a damn thing. You got people out there that are literally just holding on. And I would say, I'm not going to say that these people should be, breaking up, getting a divorce, but a lot of people need therapy. And hopefully, people will start to seek therapy. This is tough to watch.
Area, buddy, so fuck you. This is common area, buddy. Fuck you.
Just go out and fucking get stoned some more today.
Whatever, Daryl.
Go get some more stoned.
Get the hell away from me. Get the hell away from me.
That's all you do every day is go out and buy drugs and get stoned. Left at 9:30 today. Where the fuck were you?
Where was I? I was
Stoned
at
out.
Play It Again Sports. I was at
all you do is
Publix.
get stoned and go talk to everybody.
I want to fucking stab
It's all right. I got
you
your
so
video showing
bad.
you buying drugs.
I got you
stupid
so.
motherfucker.
I want to fucking stab you so bad, Daryl. I don't do drugs. I went in and made a medical appointment because I needed one, and I made an appointment
I don't
today.
give a shit what you do, Deb. You're a stoned
I
ass
don't care about.
motherfucker.
Am I fucking stoned?
Yes,
right now?
you are.
Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you.
Wow. Oh my goodness, bro. So when I talk about being happily married, I just want to, this is not it. When I talk about being successfully married, this is not it. Listen, we have heard stories, we have seen people that are together, and we still wondering why the hell are y'all together? Y'all can't stand each other's guts. I've never seen anything this is bad. This is horrible. And the fact that she got a doggone camera out recording this, what she's saying and what he is saying, like, listen, both of them are wrong. Let's just go ahead and get that out there right now. Both of them are wrong. But the fact that she's saying something about physically harming this guy with a weapon while recording is even more disturbing than anything. You don't care. She said, listen, I wanna do this and I wanna do that. Why are you following this man? Like, yo, bro, is it that bad? Dang, man. I think they've been spraying too much of that doggone horn and wall spray, and it's getting in their system. It's messing both of them up, because ain't nowhere in the world, like, you see people like this that have been together for X amount of years. Y'all have children together, and y'all get to the point where y'all getting into a fussing, screaming match, going back and forth. You following him, he following you. Y'all going back and forth, cursing each other out, saying what you don't like about it. Man, that's crazy, bro. At this age, this is honestly when y'all really need to be loving on each other and enjoying each other. Like, because, I mean, regardless of what age you are at, you never know if this is going to be your last day here. So you need to cherish these moments. Why in the world are you spending time around someone where this has to take place? And I mean, they just doing it like this. This is just another Tuesday. It's just another Tuesday. Don't care about what you say, how you say things, hurting the other person's feelings. Again, both of them. Nobody is excluded from this. Both of them are 1,000% wrong. And this is not how relationships are supposed to go. Going back to one of the most basic of the basic things, and that's communication. Communicating with the other person. Actually talking, speaking, asking questions, and listening. Like, I want to hear you out. Like, what's going on? Like, what's up? Us as two mature, very mature people, can we not just sit back and just have that type of dialogue? Like, what's up? Like, let's just kick it. What's going on with you? Are you okay? Like, is there anything that I can do to relieve some stress? 'Cause you can tell both of these individuals are stressed the freak out, man. And I just thank God that, you know, I just want to say I thank God. Thank you. Whew. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? Good grief. That was tough to watch.
Blueberry, Burberry, butternut, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they.